Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So before I begin with the video, let me be very honest, my dear friends, that today I don't have much to explain, much to discuss because gold is still trading inside a range. And just for the sake of trading, if we switch to a lower time frame, then it will be a bad decision. Because on a daily time frame, we have seen that for the last couple of days, market is in indecision. Market is standing at a record high and market is forming dojis and spinning tops, showing indecision in the market. Obviously, a correction is due, but nobody knows when the correction is about to come. We are not talking about trend reversal here. That's a different story because corrections are temporary so that we can get further upside. For example, if a temporary correction comes or selling pressure comes for the next 2-3 days, we can expect that market will be going up again. But if a trend reversal comes, then it will continue for a couple of days and weeks. The whole trend of the market will change. And for that, we need a news which we don't have right now. So let's not talk about trend reversal here, and let's keep our fingers crossed and wait for the correction right now. Okay, and if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold steadies near all-time high on Trump tariff concerns. So the Trump tariff trade war trade, okay, is still dominating the market. The safe haven sentiment is still not allowing gold to go down. That is a big issue right now. Gold consolidates potential profit taking may way. So there is a chance of profit taking, and profit takings are temporary. So if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on the chart of gold, keep in mind that after some time, okay, there may be a bounce back again. So this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. So let's discuss the trading opportunities for the day one by one. Hey friends, if you're also looking for a reliable Forex broker for safe deposit and withdrawal and proper safety, then you can visit my website. You will find the best options. You just need to go to my website and choose your trading style because our requirements are very limited, but sadly a single broker cannot provide all the solutions. So you just need to choose whether you're a day trader or a swing trader. For example, if you're a swing trader, then your first preference or your priority will be swap free broker, and if you're a day trader, your priority will be paying low spread, isn't it? So choose your trading requirement, okay, from here. And if you're totally confused, just WhatsApp me that Avila suggest the best broker for me. I will suggest you. Okay. And if you're a day trader, then you can go with Star Trader. Okay, Star Trader is a tier 1 licensed broker, member of the Financial Commission that provides compensation up to 20,000 euros and also insurance up to $1 million. And if you're an Indian, then Star Trader also gives swap free account. Okay, I have mentioned everything here. Okay, your spread on gold will be only 17. So just make the deposit. Okay, and just let me know that Abhilash have done the deposit. This is my account number. Okay, I'll do the needful. And if you only trade on BTC, okay, then you can go with TMGM. The spread is crazy, only 16. Okay, and if you're a swing trader, then you can go with Vantage here. Okay, and why Vantage? Vantage is also a very reputed broker, tier 1 licensed broker, member of the Financial Commission. The spread on gold will be a little high, 20 to 25, but yes, it will be a swap free account. Okay, I have mentioned everything here on my website. Okay, just visit it. Okay, if you're looking for a reliable broker. So we are back to the chart of gold again. So this is hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside the range. Yesterday gold tried, but it failed to cross the range here. So the possibility of breakout is still there. So during the day, my dear friends, or especially during the US session, we see gold going above 2957, we can look for a buy at breakout. But now we can clearly see the chart is not a clean one, and the trade war trade is slowly fading away. So we may not get clean move. For example, after taking a buy at 2957, there's a high chance that after 40 to 50 pips, means around 296162, market may struggle and it may come down. Okay, so if you see market struggling above around 296162, you can book your profits. When market will be coming down again, then you can enter for a buy position. Means when the previous resistance will become the new support, you can enter again around 2957, around 295554 area. The whole level will be working as a new support. If you see market is taking support, then only hit the buy button. So you can, if market goes for a breakout, you can go for a breakout, but if market comes down, then you can enter again. And we have discussed many times that buying at breakout is riskier in comparison to buying at retracement. So if you are looking for safe entry, then go for buy at retracement only. And right now we can see the market is coming down. So in this situation, okay, where can we buy? Yes, the levels that we discussed yesterday, day before yesterday, okay, are still very much valid. For example, the support around 2894 to 888. Okay, this is also the blue box. Okay, it's still very much valid. Okay, then we also discuss support around 2907 2905. Yes, this support is still very much valid because we had FEB as well as the previous resistance will be working as support. Okay, but the problem is that, okay, market is dicey, market is choppy, the chart is not clean. Okay, so these levels are far away. So as of now, we need to look for immediate levels. If you are looking for immediate levels, then keep in mind the immediate levels are not very strong. Okay, so for example, we have a support around 291617. Yes, this is also valid. During the day, if market comes to this level, we can look for a buy. If market comes to 2922, we can look for a buy. If market comes to 2931, there also we can look for a buy. But as I said at the beginning of the video, there are some levels, but these levels are not very strong. Okay, these are the good ones, the strong levels. Okay, these are the weak levels. Right now we can see the selling pressure is a little high. For example, okay, so if market comes down, okay, market comes down and hits 2931 with the same selling pressure, 293130 area, then there's a high chance that it may go down to 29252. So it may not work. So be careful. If you see market is taking support, then only go for a buy position. Because see, in a choppy market, sideways market like this, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy, isn't it? And you must be knowing, or for probably you have heard from me, that why people lose money in sideways market, because we get impatient, we lose our patience, and we enter on the middle of the chart. So these levels like 2931 2922 are entering on the middle of the chart only. So be careful. Okay, so if you really want to go for some good trades, then wait for the right ones. Focus on quality, not quantity. And this is the economic calendar. We can see that we have some news coming up, new home sales report. Okay, not a major one, but still it may bring some temporary spikes to the market. Okay, so be careful. And if US session surprises us, because see, the market will not be staying in the range forever. Obviously, there will be a big plus. Okay, and this time there's a good chance that market will be coming down for some profit taking or profit booking. So if it does, you can follow the trend of the market as a day trader only. If you're a swing trader, position trader, planning to hold a sell trade for the next couple of weeks, no. If you're a day trader, if you see there's a high selling pressure, then you can look for a sell position. That's it. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.